Cloud core services and global infrastructure.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our tech tutorials. Today we're diving into a fundamental aspect of cloud computing: cloud core services and global infrastructure. This is a crucial topic for anyone working with cloud platforms, so let's get started.
So, what exactly is cloud global infrastructure? In simple terms, it's the backbone of cloud computing, consisting of a collection of hardware and software resources that work together to deliver a flexible, reliable, scalable, and secure environment for cloud services. Imagine a global network of data centers that store, process, and manage data for millions of users and businesses around the world. These data centers are filled with thousands of servers, storage devices, and networking equipment, all meticulously maintained by cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. The global infrastructure is designed to ensure that your applications and services are always available, no matter where your users are located. But why is this important? Let's take a closer look at the benefits.
The global cloud infrastructure offers several key benefits. Security. First and foremost, security is a top priority. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures, including physical security at data centers, encryption of data in transit and at rest, and continuous monitoring for potential threats. Availability. Cloud services are designed to be highly available, meaning they are accessible 24/7 with minimal downtime. This is critical for businesses that require their services to be online at all times. Performance. With data centers located around the world, cloud providers can ensure low latency and high-speed access to your services, providing a smooth experience for end users. Scalability. One of the biggest advantages of cloud computing is scalability. You can easily scale your resources up or down based on demand, without the need for significant upfront investments in hardware. Flexibility. Finally, cloud infrastructure provides unparalleled flexibility, allowing businesses to adapt quickly to changing market conditions and technological advancements.
Now that we understand the benefits, let's break down the key components of cloud global infrastructure. A region is a geographical area that consists of multiple availability zones. When selecting a region for your cloud services, it's important to consider factors like data governance, proximity to your customers to minimize latency, the services available within the region, and cost differences between regions. Availability zones. Each cloud region consists of multiple availability zones. Think of an availability zone as a fully isolated partition of the global infrastructure, containing one or more data centers. The key here is isolation. Each zone is independent of the others, which means if one zone experiences an issue, the others can continue to operate without disruption. Regions, data centers. At the core of cloud infrastructure are data centers. These are the physical facilities where data is stored and processed. Each data center has redundant power supplies, networking, and connectivity to ensure continuous operation. Data centers are typically housed in secure, climate-controlled environments to protect the hardware.
Next, let's talk about core cloud services. These services are the building blocks of any cloud-based application. They typically include compute. This involves the processing power that drives your applications. Examples include virtual machines, containers, and serverless computing options. Network. Cloud networking services allow you to create and manage networks within the cloud. This includes services like load balancers, virtual private clouds, VPCs, and network security features. Storage. Cloud storage services provide scalable, secure, and cost-effective options for storing data. This could be in the form of object storage, file storage, or managed databases. Each cloud provider, like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, has its own set of services, but the core functions remain consistent across platforms.
Understanding this shared responsibility model is crucial for managing your cloud environment effectively. In this model, security responsibilities are divided between the cloud service provider, CSP, and the customer. The CSP is responsible for security of the cloud. This includes protecting the infrastructure that runs all the services offered in the cloud. This is everything from the physical security of data centers to the software that powers them. The customer is responsible for security in the cloud. This means that you, as a customer, need to manage the security of the applications you build on top of the cloud infrastructure. This includes things like data encryption, managing identity and access, and configuring your network security. This model allows both the CSP and the customer to focus on their strengths. CSPs handle the complex infrastructure, while customers manage their specific applications and data.
Let's talk about something that's on everyone's mind: costs. How do you pay for cloud services? Cloud providers typically offer a few different payment models. Pay for what you use. This is the most common model, where you only pay for the services you consume. There's no need for large upfront investments, making it a cost-effective solution for many businesses. Pay less when you use more. Cloud providers often offer volume-based discounts, meaning the more you use, the less you pay per unit. Pay less when you reserve. You can save money by committing to use certain services for a longer period. This is known as reserved instances, RIs. Understanding these models can help you optimize your cloud spending and avoid unexpected costs. Additionally, cloud providers impose certain service limits and quotas to prevent overuse of resources and to manage costs effectively. Some limits can be increased upon request, but others are hard limits.
And that's a wrap for today's video on cloud core services and global infrastructure. We've covered everything from the basics of cloud infrastructure, its benefits and components, to the shared responsibility model and cost management. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your peers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.